Yeah, I got a story to tell. I know they want me to fail. If they throw me into a cell, I know wife she paying the bill. Cause I can afford to be quiet. My city is dying and children are crying. Be alert, not devour. The enemy's prowling you just like a lion. But we got the keys, I promise you. Hold on to the peace inside of you. No, I'm not alone. You're not alone. You got an army who follows you. It's time to rise up, lift your eyes up. Yeah, hope is on the way. And we gon' be the change. Cause we are unrestrained. Yeah.
I'm not alone, I'm never alone. My family is with me, wherever I go. Let's be the change that we wanna see. Taking a stand, what we believe.
Yeah, when I'm in doubt, I'ma pray it out. Believe in that name, so I say it loud. School system wanna take it out, then wonder why no one behaving now. These are days for my generation. Feel like we living in revelation. We gotta share it, that's salvation. A world with no savior, devastation. What is a voice if you never use it? Never use it. Don't abuse it. I ain't not writing for your amusement. Deeper than rap, this is more than music. I know what teams who keep cutting their wrists. How can I flee when I'm taking a risk? If we ever gonna deal with it, gotta stop pretending and be real with it. And be real with it. It's time to unite, yeah, hey, it's time to unite. This world is so dark, together we shine like 4th of July. Hey, if you stand for nothing, then you'll fall for anything. We will not fall by any means. I promise you, put that on everything.
I'm not alone, I'm never alone. My family is with me, wherever I go. Let's be the change that we wanna see. We're taking a stand for what we believe.